She showed me a room. Isn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed it wasn't a chair. We sat on a rug, biding my time, drinking the wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, it's time for bed. She told me she worked in the morning, started to laugh. I told her I didn't, crawled off to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone, but this bird had flown. So I lit a fire, isn't it good, Norwegian wood? There you go.
Bravo, bravo. Vinny's new guitar.
The new guitar.
Yeah.